Hey everybody, Michael Snyder, Pacific Northwest Weather Watch. Today is August 28th, and right now we're looking at the Gulf of Mexico. A three-dimensional look at the infrared satellite imagery that is Tropical Storm Idalia. Continues to have some deep convection spinning around its center here, getting a bit of wind shear, which should relax over the next day or so, continuing to move over very warm water across the Gulf of Mexico and should go through some rapid intensification as it moves towards the Florida coastline there. So I thought I'd do a quick video on this. You know me, I'll never miss a chance to compare dust devils to hurricanes. More on that here in a moment, but you can see the track of the storm here right now, and you see that M for major hurricane at landfall there across Florida. Big storm surge incoming, big winds, flooding rains, and even a tornado threat with this system as it moves across the area. This is the visible satellite imagery. You see it's not quite that well developed just yet, but it should be undergoing further intensification as we go through the evening tonight, and probably be a hurricane by the time we get towards tonight. Hurricane Franklin out there, major hurricane, no threat to land right now out over the Atlantic Ocean, and this is the track here, major hurricane. So unless you're George Clooney on a fishing boat out there, you probably have nothing to worry about, but tropical storm watch is up for Bermuda there. And here we go with the dust devil comparison. You can see this circulation moved over this very warm patch of dust and ash there and really spins up and intensifies their heat transfer process, very similar to what hurricanes undergo as they move across the Gulf of Mexico there, especially during this time of year. So yeah, you know me, I'll never miss a chance to compare dust devils to hurricanes. This is wind threat. Look at this, 111 miles per hour or more across some of the coastline, flooding, rain, storm surge, biggest in the purple area, but don't sleep on this across Tampa. You're still under that storm surge there. And if any kind of track further off to the east here is going to include Tampa Bay, and some more, the higher storm surge could impact them as well. You got the tornado threat as well. You got a lot of turning in the atmosphere, and some, of course, tropical storms are pretty moist here. So yeah, tornado threat with this as well. Pretty typical with tropical circulations. This is looking at peak storm surge forecast here. You can see 7 to 11 feet here, and again, Tampa kind of included in the up to 9 feet range there. And again, subject to change here based on the hurricane's track. This is looking at the Gulf of Mexico. Kind of cooled down here over the last 7 days, but don't be fooled because this is still above average. As you can see here, we're going through the 30-day time lapse of the Gulf of Mexico with very warm, did cool down a bit, but still abnormally warm. And it's already plenty warm at this time of year across the area to, maintain strong hurricanes and major hurricanes. So yeah, this is not good for some areas of Florida as it moves across the region here. And you can see much of the planet here, the oceans are above average as well. You can see the developing El Nino continuing right now. Still some below average temperatures there out Hawaii and eastbound across some of the tropics there as well. But anyway, yeah, I want to just give you my quick take on Tropical Storm Ida. Should be a hurricane by this evening, and watch out if you have friends and family there across some of the west coast of Florida, because this thing looks like it could be a pretty powerful hurricane by the time it makes landfall. But anyway, just wanted to go to that with you real quick here, and we'll go back to our thunderstorms here across Pacific Northwest. We'll be watching that tonight, maybe do a live stream at some point here. Still deciding what I'm going to do as I chase this thunderstorm activity on in through tonight and into tomorrow morning. So anyway, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow in my regular briefings if I don't see it today in the live stream. So I'll see you guys later.